Brownlee has a clear look at the hoop. Slams it home. Justin Brownlee Jr.
So ayun na nga mga sports, Justin Brownlee Jr. naghalimaw na naman sa kanyang second game at dunk party po ang labanan. Justin Brownlee, ang kanyang ama, proud na proud sa achievement ng kanyang anak. Kalaban nila Justin Brownlee Jr., kawawang kawawa masyado, napakalaking lamang nila. Halika tignan natin mga sports ang iilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
Back to the ball game here, and we do apologize for some technical difficulties on our court. Inside and handoff, and the youngest, or rather, as number 9, there it is to actually battle here against Film Nation. The pass, the shot there, Sim trying to work it here against Colado. Ball loose. Brownlee falls down. Vesperas has it and turns it over. Brownlee has a clear look at the hoop. Slams it home. Justin Brownlee Jr. Looking like it. One. And pulls it up. Lau and one. Good bait from Lau. The basket. Nice pass. And extra. Same ball here. Tipped away. Tipped there by Wesley Facun. As we are back, Tarlac Province gets already an interception in this one, and the lefty layup coming in for Archon. Ricky Valentino Barnes, Devance inside, Devance no good, and trying to get the rebound, Valentino, or rather this is here, pass to Booth, inside Cameron Booth, fading back, Booth, no good, rebound, inside, pump fake, and gets through, playing Agbuya, pass, and gets past Brownlee. There goes that basket coming from Wesley Facun. On the other side, Devance over Abuya. And down the inside, spin move. And basket. Steal Isaiah Jackson. Jackson on the breakaway. Up against Tayag. And Jackson with the left. Gets it over. Nice. Let's get this final 10 minutes here to start as first point immediately here for Los Angeles Devance. Let's see how this one will go. Look at that! Good move on the inside. Much more venues. Let us see how that one will go. Now the ball. Here is Booth. Gibson. Brownlee. Back here to Booth. Cameron. Booth here. Pass it. Inside to Justin Brownlee. On here. Facing off against the legacies of Devance and Brownlee here. But so far, what we've really noticed here, the Tarlac Province is still energetic from the first quarter to the fourth. They're still giving. Diego throws it up, and it's to Gopilan. Brayden. Easy layup there for Brayden Gopilan.
Kung nagustuhan mo po ang video nito, paiwan ng follow, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mundo ng basketball world. Laban Pilipinas, puso, so paano, ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball, habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!